Sunday the 5th of June, it's raining really heavily and there's water coming through all over the roof. This beam is soaked, it's dripping water everywhere. Someone seems to have put a nail through what's presumably some sort of protective film. It's leaking. There's a leak there. There's another leak here, which is gathering, can't see it, it's gathering water on top of this tank. You can hear water dropping all over this. You can see there's little tears over there. There's little holes everywhere. And there is water, the far corner coming through into the kitchen, which I'm not going to be able to go and film. There is water dripping directly where I'm holding the camera at the moment. You can see two different spots dripping through. Absolutely shoddy. Really shoddy. And there's undoubtedly numerous bits in this roof just away from here that I can't actually see, but it's basically pissing in.